Hello everyone and welcome back to Inside Dyness. Today we are not at a project site, but we are talking about something which comes straight from real world use. Let's start with something most users cares about long term, which is reliability. PowerBrick is designed for over 8,000 charge and discharge cycle and comes with a 10 years warranty. That means it's not built just for today, but for years and for everyday use. Another thing people notice immediately is the size. With higher energy density per unit volume, PowerBrick takes up less space while delivering the same performance for home or small commercial spaces. That difference really matters. Safety is built inside the system, not added later. PowerBrick comes with a built-in aerosol fire suppression system, which helps improves overall safety protection. It's the kind of feature you don't think about every day, but you are glad it's there. PowerBrick also supports built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing intelligent system management and OTA upgrades. We can monitor battery health in real time and even perform remote fault diagnosis. Fast discharging every phase under control. Up to 50 units connected in parallel, making PowerBrick flexible for different needs. For many families, it means stable power even when things get unpredictable. How to choose between PowerBrick and PowerBrick Pro? For indoor use, choose PowerBrick. If you need to install it outdoor in a more complex environment, choose PowerBrick Pro. The IP65 rating makes PowerBrick Pro more suitable for various environments. We have seen PowerBrick used in many real scenarios. For example, a small cafe in Thailand. Stable power means no interruption during business hours. And no worries when demand peaks, designed for household energy storage scenarios with a stylish and elegant appearance. PowerBrick makes everyday energy use simpler and safer, quietly working in the background so life can stay uninterrupted. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.